electromagnetic waves means the combination of electric and magnetic waves is known as the electromagnetic waves. In that introduction, first part is the existence of electromagnetic waves predicted by Maxwell theoretically using the point of Faraday's electromagnetic induction. As per the Faraday's law, a time-varying magnetic field induced electrical field which varies with respect to space and time. Electromagnetic wave is a propagation of energy in terms of varying electric and magnetic field which are in mutually perpendicular to direction and perpendicular to direction of propagation. Here the combination of electric and magnetic field is known as electromagnetic wave. The next, the wave motion of electromagnetic waves in vacuum in terms of electrical field using Maxwell equation. So that we have to consider the Maxwell's equation, that is consider the Maxwell equation. The equation number 2, that is given by del cross E bar is equal to minus dou E bar by dou T. This is a Maxwell's equation, and this Maxwell equation is denoted by the Faraday's law. Then next one, del cross H bar is equal to J bar plus dou D bar by dou T. This is a Ampere's law. Compare this equation, taking this equation by substituting, adding D is equal to epsilon E and B is equal to mu H in the above equation we get. Just we add the D is equal to E epsilon E and B is equal to mu H. In the above equations we get del cross E bar is equal to minus mu dou H bar by dou T. And next equation is del cross H bar is equal to J bar plus epsilon dou E bar by dou T. That is equation number 4. By this equation we have to derive the wave equation in terms of electrical field. The terms of H bar has been eliminated. Just we have to derive this equation for the electric field, so that we have to eliminate H bar. Taking curl on both sides, we get the equation 3 becomes, take this curl on both sides of the equation, del cross E bar is equal to minus mu dou by dou T del cross H bar. That is equation number 5. According to vector analysis, A cross means curl, B cross C is equal to B A dot C minus C in bracket A dot B. Thus, here A is del, B is also del, E is C. Substitute from this equation or this formula. B is del, A is del, E is C minus C is E, A is del, B is del, and the del dot del did del square E bar. As per the Maxwell equation, del dot D bar is equal to rho of E. Since D is equal to epsilon E, it could be written as del dot E bar is equal to rho of E by epsilon. Substituting this above equation, we get del cross E bar is equal to del rho of V del dot E bar, that is a rho of V divided by E. Put this equation here, then remaining term as it is. Okay, then the substitute equation for you in equation 6. Here just is equal to is, by mistake here equal to is there, just we write down minus sign, del in bracket rho of E by epsilon minus del square by E bar. Then substitute equation 6 in 5, then we get del rho of E by epsilon is minus del square E bar is equal to minus mu dou by dou T del cross H bar. That is equation number 7. Then this equation 7 we have to substitute equation 4. Here equation 4, that is a Here equation 4. Then substitute that equation 7 in equation 4. We get del rho of E by epsilon minus del square E bar is equal to minus mu dou by dou t j bar plus epsilon dou E bar by dou t, that is equation number 8. The above equation could be written as this equation. We have to written as del square E is equal to minus mu E del square E bar divided by dou t square is equal to mu dou j bar by dou t plus del rho of phi by E epsilon, that is equation number 9. Then we have to arranging this equation, then we get the equation number 9. Here the equation number 9, LHS side is a propagation of waves and RHS side is a origin of wave. So that here mu and epsilon, mu is an absolute permeability and epsilon is an absolute permittivity of the homogeneous medium. In case of propagation of wave, EM waves, free space j bar is equal to 0 and rho of phi is equal to 0, then equation 9 becomes, if we have to just put the value of j bar is equal to 0 and rho of phi is equal to 0, then we get the equation del square E bar is minus mu of epsilon dou square E bar by dou t square is equal to 0. This equation, hence the electromagnetic wave equation in a free space. Comparing the above equation, we get velocity of the EM waves. Velocity of the EM waves, we get 1 by v square is equal to mu into epsilon. Hence the velocity of EM waves. So that we want the velocity of EM waves. Here v square is there, just square root of this equation 1 by root mu E. Then velocity propagation of EM waves in vacuum, that is given by c is equal to 1 divided by square root of mu naught epsilon naught is equal to 3 into 10 raised to 8 minutes per second. That is a velocity of light. The velocity of the light, that is a 3 into 10 raised to 8. Next is plane electromagnetic waves in vacuum. Electromagnetic waves will travel in one direction and with uniform in the other two orthogonal direction is called as plane electromagnetic waves. Here the electromagnetic waves is travel one direction and uniformly travel to the orthogonal, uniform to other two orthogonals direction is called plane electromagnetic waves. For example, consider a plane electromagnetic waves traveling along z-axis. The electric field and magnets vibrates are uniform and confined to xy plane. These two statements we have to discuss here. Let us consider a plane electromagnetic wave of length L propagating in a vacuum along the x direction. Let the electric field associated with the wave be oriented parallel to y direction and it is denoted as EY. Let also there will be a magnetic field associated with wave and oriented parallel to z direction. Let that is denoted as BZ. Here consider electromagnetic propagation of along positive x direction. If the time varying electric and magnetic field are along phi and z axis respectively, then we can write. Here let us consider the axis x, y, z. Along the x axis electric field is travels and along the y axis magnetic field is travel. Here the E is denoted as electrical field and B is a magnetic waves, and magnetic waves, and lambda is a wavelength. So that E bar is equal to A cos in bracket 2 pi by lambda x minus ct in bracket I cap, that is equation number 1. B bar is equal to 1 by C A cos in bracket 2 pi by lambda x minus ct bracket completed j cap, that is equation number 2. The ratio of amplitude of electric and magnetic field, the equation 1 and 2 becomes E by divided by Bz, that is equal to constant, that is equation number 3. C is an velocity of light.